Front porch across the street, and heard a big explosion. Saw this door flying across the street, and there was another guy sitting on the steps in the front, and we both came running over. There was smoke pouring out of it, and so I called the fire department. He came over to check out if everything was all right. And but it shook our house, the windows. My wife came running out. What was that? She came out. What was that? So it was pretty big.